Hi, did you know that you can make your own toys just from polymer clay? So let's make a mini tennis ball. It's so easy to make. I mixed some of the bright yellow clay and a little bit of light green to get the color of the tennis ball. Hopefully it will be perfect shade. Perfect color. Now I'm shaping it. I made it small. You can make it bigger if you want, just by using more clay. Now I will make the tennis white line. First, I will mark where the line is going to be. Now I will make a tiny groove. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. And tell me, what do you want me to make in the next video? Now I will shape a white string. Shaping. Now I will put it in the groove. I'm making the line smoother now. There is the result.